Hello and welcome to the first tutorial in Series 9, in which we'll be studying some basic compositions. Up until now, we've learned how to draw faces and figures in various stances, as well as buildings and mountains. We have looked briefly at some aspects of composition when drawing two standing figures together, as well as how relative or vertical perspective works. Now we're going to start combining these elements in compositions, starting off with the icon of the Theotokos with Christ, and use what we've learned about rhythm and the transverse principle to compose an icon. And again you can see how the various forms are placed transversely on the surface. The same thing can be observed in the following icons.